Hey everyone, so today we are having our nutrition class at FWA. So in the red we have Arishna and in the blue we have Neva. Of course, these cute children had a lot of fun preparing their own breakfast. It makes them more independent. So we got started with our first sandwich, that was the chutney cheese sandwich. Now over here obviously I explained to them that the chutney is very spicy because my mama loves her chilies. So I told them to apply a very thin layer. We applied the cheese and we kept the sandwich away. We moved on to our second sandwich over here where we applied, of course, chutney. We put a little bit of mayo so that our taste buds don't burn. Then we added a few chopped veggies, that was tomatoes, cucumbers and onions. With this, I was explaining them the nutritional value of each ingredient that we were using. I explained to them the different types of milk, what types of cheeses are there in the world, some basic general knowledge about carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. And then we moved on to gobbling down our food, which we enjoyed. After that, I asked them a few questions about what they understood about their own food, what they were eating, and some basic questions. Then I started asking them just basic general knowledge questions about how you measure the age of a tree. So I was explaining that to them, and then it was fun because of course you get to know about new things. So the children enjoyed the process of making their food. Of course, after burning our taste buds, we had to have some masala papad to cool them off. So here you can see Neva and Arishna helping me make the masala papad, and we enjoyed that, cooled our taste buds, and we had our class end on a happy note.